Have you ever been interrupted by notifications from your phone at the wrong time? Like during dinner, while you're reading, or trying to fall asleep? There's a simple feature on your iPhone, different from turning off your phone, that can help. It's called Do Not Disturb. Here's how it works. To quickly turn it on, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then tap the little crescent moon icon. That's it. Your phone is now in Do Not Disturb mode. It won't ring or buzz, but you can still use it as normal. If you'd like your phone to turn on Do Not Disturb automatically at certain times, like every night at bedtime, here's how to set that up. Open your Settings app. Scroll down and then tap Focus, then choose Do Not Disturb. Scroll down and tap Add Schedule. You can choose the time and days you want it to turn on and off. For example, we are going to set it up so that Do Not Disturb turns on every night at 10 p.m. and off at 7 a.m. Want to make sure important calls still get through? No problem. In the same Do Not Disturb settings, tap People. Here, you can allow calls from family or close friends, even when the feature is on. So when should you use Do Not Disturb? At night to sleep without interruptions. During meals, so you can enjoy time with loved ones. Or while driving, so you stay safe and focused. With just a few taps, your iPhone becomes a little quieter, and your day becomes a little easier. At Caddie, we're here to help make technology less stressful and more useful, one small win at a time.